Good afternoon, my name is Tian Yong and I'm an investment analyst with Phillip Futures. Today I'll be sharing the question that is on everybody's mind. Donald Trump is now the president-elect of the United States. What happened and what's next? A brief overview of today's market watch is as follows. Yesterday, we saw Donald Trump paint the electoral map in a clean sweep of red as he took crucial swing states like Florida, Ohio, Pennsylvania, and North Carolina. According to Bloomberg, Donald Trump eventually emerged as the winner of the presidential race with 279 electoral votes as compared to Hillary Clinton's 228. As Trump's lead surged, we saw the E-mini S&P 500 active futures contract plunge more than 5.5%, testing its crucial support level of 2020. The contract eventually pared losses and more than reversed its initial dip towards the end of the day. We saw a similar price movement in the S&P 500 cash index when it opened as well. While the reversal of the losses may seem like a puzzling price movement, an examination into Trump's victory acceptance speech may explain why. In Trump's speech, he brought up the two key themes of political reconciliation and global cooperation. Trump even extended his appreciation towards his rival Hillary Clinton for a hard-fought campaign and gratitude for her service to the country. On the global front, Trump assured markets that he'll be taking a cooperative stance on the international scene. In my opinion, these two key messages were major drivers for market assurance, and in my view, these messages really assisted global markets in the acceptance of a United States led by Trump. But does this really signal an all clear in the US equity index futures space? From a technical perspective, the cash index is approaching all-time highs once again. It may meet with some resistance at the 2,200 level before breaking out. Also, there remains the uncertainty of a Federal Reserve rate hike in December. Given that Trump is now the president-elect, I personally am leaning towards an interest rate hike to happen on December 15 this year. Lastly, while President-elect Trump has shown himself to be more composed than the candidate Trump we were previously accustomed to, this is merely just the beginning of a new era of a United States under Trump. Trump's transition team also launched the website, greatagain.gov. Following this victory, in it highlights the specifics of the policies which were brought up during Trump's campaign. One such angle is Trump's proposed trade reform, while not explicitly mentioning his previous intention to withdraw the Trans-Pacific Partnership and to impose trade tariffs on China. Information on his expressed desire to build a border wall between the United States and Mexico are also shared on the website. There is also a noteworthy intended direction in the financial services space, where Trump is looking to dismantle the Dodd-Frank Act, and also his intention to repeal the Affordable Care Act. Any materializing developments from these areas are expected to impact the financials and the healthcare sectors within the index, respectively. Investors should also keep a keen eye on how the Trump administration proceeds from here with regards to these policies. Who knows, Trump may surprise us in a positive way once again if he manages to play on his strength in business acumen to make not only America but the global scene great again.